Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Godaddy to WordPress using an easy method. First, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account and find the domain you wish to connect. Next, access your WordPress hosting control panel, such as cPanel or a custom dashboard. There, you will locate the unique name servers provided by your WordPress hosting provider. This is a crucial first step to ensure your domain points to the correct server. Once you have your WordPress host's name servers, return to your Godaddy account. Go to the DNS management section for your specific domain. You'll see an option to change or update name servers. Carefully replace the existing Godaddy name servers with the ones from your WordPress host. Double-check for any typos, then save your changes. This tells Godaddy where to direct traffic for your domain. After updating the name servers, it's important to understand that these changes aren't instant. DNS propagation can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to update across the internet. You can use free online tools to check the propagation status. Once your domain is pointing correctly to your WordPress host, you can proceed with installing WordPress through your hosting control panel, often with a one-click installer. With WordPress successfully installed, you can now access your new website. Simply type your domain name into your browser, followed by /wp-admin to reach the login page. Use the username and password you set during the WordPress installation. From your dashboard, you can start customizing your site with themes, adding content, and installing essential plugins. Remember to perform regular backups to protect your hard work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.